May pera pa ako. Ano ba yan? Blok. Hey! Pero pinadala mo kaya dito. Eh, dito ko ako.
Long game bukas ha? Paano ka bukas? Tama ko si... Kasama ko bukas yan, ha?
Ano yung laban sila dito?
Ito, okay.
Sir, good evening, sir. Oy! May laban-laban sila ngayon.
Oo?
May laban-laban sila ngayon.
May bilis din yan.
Lang, mananood ka? Hindi ka lang dito mo.
Grabing init.
Galing mo. Sayang, napakainit.
Ako man nakapot, baliktad ko.
Sakit lang. Sige na. Ingat ka, sige na. Sige na, ingat ka. Dito na. Sige na kami. Sige na. Sige na. Tayo lang tayo.
Wala namang puro kanina eh. Pag-link ko siguro. Akin yung dati lahat eh. Pero pag mga nila...
Ito po, wala picture taking. Team RGA, line up na po kayo para sa picture taking.
Pasabig to si Oblik. Mar! Pasabig to, kala ka di ka mag-alar ha?
Ready ka lang.
Ha?
Kanilip ako ni Daddy. Andiyan po.
Ay, nandito na lang.
Sabi ko, yung ako naman basketball.
Sabi ko nga kayo, baka ako walang pambayad. Bigyan ko ako kahit sandaan.
No, Adamson.
Ha?
Full picture, Adamson.
Okay lang yan. Ganun talaga. Sana inabutan mo na ng sobre. Para nalilisip ko na rin.
Pablo, line up na rin po kayo para picture taking.
So, team. 5. Bato between UST and Adamson. Second game natin.
Sa kanya yata. Sa kanya na.
Sa inyo po ba nagbabayad?
Oo, sa akin po. Ay, ano, kay Omar. 270.
Meron
Sabi
muna.
nga naman, sayang ako yun. Sayang ako yun. Malay mo matalis.
Team meeting ng both team.
Eh, si Wayne, nanulisip ka sa mga tita niya. Binigyan sobre. Binigyan, tinisin ka. Kaya sa lahat. Grabe. Gara kasi nung picture. Unang laro sila yung first five sila eh.
Plus 2.
Lamang na sila na agad.
Ang Adamson, plus 2.
Siyang gara pala dito yung lima-lima pa.
Bayad po kayo?
Ano pa si Omar? Bawat, first five.
270 minus. So, magkano sa plate? 230. Hindi ako marunong magpinta din.
Oh, both team. Sige, plus 5.
Ay, sorry. 30. Yan. Para, nagkamali ako ng bilang.
Tawag ka dito.
Tama, no? So, 30. Thank you. Ang mga magulang, supportive. No? Para di malihis sa masamang landas ang anak.
Hindi, yung nakilig eh.
Yes,
Oo,
first five na po. Pasok na.
Oo. Isa magbibisyo.
Catholic Green, jersey number 6 ng Adamson. And jersey number 10 ng UST. Both team, good luck. Ball possession, hindi natin saan po punta. Unang ball possession. Ball possession, napunta sa Adamson. Pass to Bautista, pull up. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. That's blocked by jersey number 10. Pass by play to jersey number 8. Head away. Short. Sa kanya pa rin offensive rebound. Pinasa kay jersey number 10.
Ay, malakas.
Malakas na. Lay up ni jersey number 10. Bautista ngayon. Pass to Tatuon. Jersey number 17. Back to Bautista. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 6. Jericho. So back to Halak. Jersey number 27. Hey, short. Offensive rebound by Tatuon. Record 2 point by Tatuon.
First five po na po.
Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 10.
First five para
Ular. Jersey number 8. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 8.
4-2 ang ating score.
Bautista, setting play. Pass to Tatuon. Pass to jersey number 7. Tatuon ngayon matake. Reverse. No good.
Sa ano pa?
Good. Jersey number 7. Hey. Pass by Tatuon. Castillo to jersey number 8. Pull up.
He's up,
Wala. Rebound by Tatuon. Wala. To Bautista.
Ano siya? Early to be yan.
Bautista to Halang. To Tatuon. Back to Halang pero hindi nakita doon nga. Nahalang yung bola. Jersey number 7. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 8. Bautista. First personal foul. First team foul. Dalawang free throw si Castillo. Unang free throw ni Castillo. Malakas. Jumpers ready.
Kasi abad.
Napagupit.
Wala pa rin. Ibang by Halang.
Kondisyon ka ba?
Pass to Bautista. Jersey number 8.
Hapso ka na nagtulog eh.
Tulog naman ka.
Bautista setting play. Pass to jersey number 27. There's a 3 seconds violation by the 2-0. Still by the 2-0. The 2 again. Pumangga. There's a foul spotted. Jersey number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throw. By jersey number 13. So the 2-0. Unang free throw. Wala. Jumpers ready. Wala. There's a legal entry. May isa pa. May isa pang free throw. Sige, 2-0. Perdition.
Ang wala pang hapulong, di ba?
Wala pa.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 37. There's a foul. Jersey number 10.
15 yan mo.
Sila rin.
Mr. Ulan.
Asa man sa jersey? Puti dapat nato bayaran.
Unang free throw. Wala pa rin.
Kuan man.
Sayang yung mga free throw.
Wala.
Jumpers ready.
Patay tayo. Jersey ba yung
Wala pa rin.
3
Ayun na pagka bola kay jersey number 5. Pero still by Bianco, there's a foul. Jersey number 5.
Kaya itong hihatag nyo na
600.
600, di ba? 600 ata.
Third team foul. First personal
600
foul. 14 shot clock.
Kay kuan man to.
Bautista, sunny play.
Ibutang na ako sa
Sundot na ng bola ni
sa
Mr. Ulan.
punta.
Jersey number 10. Break, pull up. Malakas.
Ulitin man ko pag
Napuntang bola kay jersey number 8.
hindi dapat pulipit ng jersey.
Pass to jersey number 10. There's a foul again. Who's foul? Jersey number 13. Blocking foul. Good free throw by Mr. Ulan. Jersey number 10.
Malugi man ko sa kuan.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Unang free throw ni jersey number 10.
Na-promise
Wala.
ko yung play. Coach na
Jumpers ready.
pulipit group.
Pangalawang free throw. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound by jersey number 8. By the way, no? Block by jersey number 6.
Gusto na ako maningil sa bago magsugod kay.
Hala ngayon.
Wala ino kung mo kuha sila. Chat update ko ni
Pass to Bautista. Tumingin ang screen. Pass to Baton. Baton. And one. Two small.
Sabi ang hapul ni Puran.
Jersey number 10. Second personal foul. Jersey number 10. And warning for penalty. Bonus free throw. Ni Baton. Jumpers ready. Kaya lang.
Ay, hatan na sana sa pabon para
Jumpers
para
ready.
ma-cover ko yung jersey. Yung kung tani lang. Ako na din. Kulang.
Short.
Para ma-pressure nyo sila. Kay makuha na mo.
Bola ng UST.
Pila may pila. Pila ko lang.
Kaya gitutan naman ako.
Nakabitawan ng bola. Nandun si Baton. Connect for 2 points.
250 per
Grabe
play. Kailan mo
depensa
kinsik?
ng Adamson.
14.
Castillo. Para sa Bayala.
Di-close na ako sa 3.
Alusot si Castillo. Castillo
Wala
ayan.
ko ng habol.
Gibot. It's a line violation. Ang UST.
Idugang na lang na.
Bautista.
Pila man to kabuk?
With jersey number 27. With the 2-on.
Pila man
With
katawag?
Jericho. Umikat na bitawan ng bola. Napuntang bola kay Jericho. There's a foul. Jersey number 8. Bautista. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Kaya to ako ni kuha ng pangalan.
Oh.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 7, Castillo for 3. No good. Big rebound by jersey number 27. Mascuala to Bautista. Back to jersey number 27. There's a foul. Jersey number 7, Castillo. Penalty. Penalty na ang UST. May dalawang free throw si jersey number 27. Unang free throw. Wala. Dami ng free throw ng Adamson. Di pumapasok. Pangalawang free throw, wala pa rin. Wala talaga minamalas ang free throw, ha? Adamson. Castillo. Nasundot din ito. Meron na rin ka din ito sa traveling violation by Castillo. Time out by Adamson. First time out of the game. Remaining time 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Official score 2-8. 6-point lead by Adamson.
Puro error na.
Back to the ball game. Wala ng Adamson. 14 shot na 14.
Bayan ko siya. So, talihatag ng 1-4.
Inbound by Bautista.
Bali 1-4 sa JC, 14 na kabuk. Kaya katong ihatag ninyo una, ibutang na ako sa puta para magama yung puta.
Pass to jersey number 27. Back to Bautista.
2-1 lang yung puta.
10 to shoot.
Minus 600. 1-5 na ninyo puta. Ang sa JC ninyo,
Hala! Wala, malakas. Kanina po ang bola. Nasundot, palabas ni Batuod. Bola ng UST. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ating first quarter, Castillo. Ular. Nakaula. Kalong dito ay by Ular. Jersey number 10. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Abo kayo?
Hala.
Tingnan ba?
Pass to jersey number 27. There's no basket. So, inanin parang foul. Jersey number 10. Ular. Penalty. Third personal foul. Jersey number 10. Mr. Ular. Tatlo na po. Jersey number 10. Unang free throw ni jersey number 27. Wala. Jumpers ready.
Iceberg na nakano. May tumawag sa'yo, di ba? Nakabito nga kay Obi na tutulog.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ular. So jersey number 5. So Castillo. So jersey number 8. Pull up. Yes! So kick out by jersey number 8. Piso-piso na daw ni jersey number 8. 6-8. 2-point lead by Adamson. 40 seconds. Hala.
Nagkatakot ang...
Halit pass to the 2 point by the 30 seconds. Fail by Hala. 25 seconds. Bautista. Malakas ng kanyang tira. Pero nandun offensive rebound si Hala. Nasundot ng palabas si jersey number 5. 15 seconds.
Kaya to kasi pinto.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basket play to jersey number 8. Wala sa oras. Dalawang silang libre. Nabutan ng oras. Yung official score natin. 6-10.
Dali mo yung...
2-point lead by
Sayang.
Adamson.
Dali mo yung tubig mo doon. Sayang isa.
Dumikit pa yung isa, dapat humiwalay.
Oh, second 5. Good team. Prepare na po.
Screen ang parang
Dalawa lang sila eh.
second.
USP ball.
Labas ka.
Lamar na. Ayun na.
Mamaya na siya, mamaya.
Hindi na daw pupuli.
Okay, ready!
Malima.
Jersey number 5. Second place.
Eh, pwede ilabas tong number. Pwede walang paksa.
Pass to jersey number 0. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 5. Not for 2 point by jersey number 5.
Oh, sige.
400 plus.
Jersey number 17. Pull up. Short. Rebound by jersey number 25.
Spread mo to. Putak mo na.
Jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 5. Waiting play. Jersey number 25. 14 shot lang. Jersey number 0. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 15. Besa. First personal foul. First team foul. Through free throw by jersey number 0.
3 points.
Puro malas sa field. Ang pati sila.
Balangkit. Unang free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Hindi natin kung papasok. Wala pa rin. Ibang by Besa. Kay jersey number 2. Nasundot ko ni jersey number 0. Balangkit. Foul. Jersey number 0. Sir Balangkit. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 shot lang. There's a foul again. Jersey number 5. Foul jersey number 5 ng UST. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 70. Jersey number 15. Pasok din. Tumigil pa yung bola sa taas. Dito tumingin si Besa. Jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 10. Reverse layup. Wala. There's a foul. Jersey number 10. First personal foul by jersey number 10. And third team foul. Jersey number 2. Boom. Besa. Pass to jersey number 17.
5 seconds. There's a foul.
There's a foul. Who's got it? There's a jersey number 5. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Pero may dalawang free throw doon.
5 oras. 2 shots para kay Pablo.
Unang free throw. Wala pa rin.
First shot.
Wala pa rin.
Yusuf! 5 bottles of water here.
Jersey number 23. Natira. To jersey number 0. Malakas ang natira. Rebound by Besa. To jersey number 2. Wala pa rin. Pero ball possession pa rin. Natapik yung bola ni jersey number 5. Ano nangyayari? 14 shot lang.
RGA.
Besa. Connect for 2 point by Besa. Official score natin. 14-8. 6-point lead by Adamson. Jersey number 10. Setting play. Hey, by jersey number 17. Pero may foul. Foul rep. Jersey number 10. Second personal foul. Jersey number 10. And penalty na, penalty. Unang free throw ni Bulls. Si Guzmano. Wala pa rin. Ano nangyari? Sa team Adamson. Lahat ng free throw. Di pumapasok. Natin kung papasok na. Wala pa rin. More possession ng UST. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Sa ating second quarter. Serve lang it. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 10. 10 to shoot. Lumabas ang bola. Bola ng Adamson. Wala.
Ay, bola mo na, Paul.
Pasok sa Banaw.
Yan mo na gamitin mo.
Pasok kay Rex.
Go.
Naging pa rin yata ako dito.
Yan mo na gamitin.
Ito na, may bola dito.
Pinasa kay jersey number 2. 2 points.
Jersey number 17.
17.
Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 to Besa. To Bunso. Bunso! Binota! Connect for 2 point by Bunso. Grabe yung ginawa ni Bunso.
3 points.
Hirap po.
Wala po tayo sa 20.
Serve lang game.
Santos.
to jersey number 23, to jersey number 5, to jersey number 25, pull up, blocked by
Jersey number 6.
Besa.
Change favor.
Pass to jersey number 2, to jersey number 17, connect for 2 points by jersey number 17. Lumalayo na ang Adamson, 10-point lead, 18-8.
Jersey number 6.
10-point lead by Adamson.
There's a
Jersey number 0, nakabila ang bola. Pass to jersey number 25, to jersey number 5 for 3. No good.
first personal foul.
Rebound by Besa. To jersey number 2, Domingo, back to Besa. Gandang pass na pero hindi pumasok yung tira ni Besa.
Number 6.
There's a foul, jersey number 2.
Santos. Santos, inaras ni Quinto.
Second team foul, first personal foul, jersey number 2.
Binigay kay Santos din.
14 shot clock.
Santos ulit sa isip tumira. 2 points for Santos. Out of bounds, fast break yan. Sayang naman.
10 to shoot. Jersey number 10. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 10. Tingnan ko na lang yun.
Yan ang press. Santos.
Jersey number 2.
Big point for Santos.
Natanga sa gitna, pass to Besa. Besa, balik. Hula, malakas. Rebound by jersey number 11.
No.
By jersey number 11. Injury time at tayo.
Takwa ni Santos.
Na-spring shot.
O, stop na yan, stop.
Ano pa naman yung nakaraan?
Universo pa yun.
Kamali.
Tama rin.
Santos with a hook shot. 2 points for Santos. Timeout, team.
O, stop na yan.
Ayun din binti na yun.
Score natin ay 24-27. Sarili mo, kalabangan ng team.
Jersey number 0. Jersey number 10. Pull up. Kabingin. Rebound. Offensive rebound by jersey number 5. There's a foul. Jersey number 11. 11.
To the goal kick of Mazayo with 6 minutes and 24 seconds remaining.
Hindi sila pwede mag-
First personal foul. 13 foul.
Bypass mo na.
No free throw by jersey number 5. Unang free throw. Pasok.
Jersey number 6.
Anong free throw? Hindi natin kung papasok.
Pablo. Pablo steps through. There's a foul.
And
Jersey
for
number
2 by jersey number 5.
First personal foul.
Jersey number 2. Setting play. Nasundot doon si jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Wala. Defensive rebound by jersey number 10. Jersey 4 wala pa rin. Nandun si jersey number 0. Pero still by jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Give the ball. Post to coast. Lumipad. Check na ang kanyang layup. Pero balangkit ngayon.
Pasa kay Tabanaw.
Back to jersey number 0. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 2.
Santos. Pasa
To jersey number 11. Back to jersey number 2. Relax ang bola.
kay for 2 points.
Jersey number 2. Side step. Bola malangas. Rebound by jersey number 5. So, balanggit. To jersey number 11. Traveling violation by jersey number 11.
Santos.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Santos to Santos. Score natin at 31-25. 5 minutes remaining. Meron na press si Leyva.
Jersey number 2 to jersey number 11. 10 to shoot.
Pablo sa press. No good. Enemy power rebound.
One shot or 3. No good. Has been played to Balangkit.
Santos.
2 points by Mr. Balangkit. 50 seconds.
Wala bumersa.
45 seconds.
Wow. Jersey number.
One shot or 3. No good. 40 seconds.
Wow. Negative foul.
There's a foul. Jersey number 17. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 25 seconds.
No good pa rin. Ako ni Jersey number 8. Cecilia.
20.
Shadi.
10 to shoot.
Hey, 2 points. Now,
5 to shoot.
Quinto. Pasa kay Leiva.
5 seconds.
Nakuha na ni.
Basket play to jersey number 17 na paganda pa.
Pull up J.
End of the second quarter. Official score 22-14.
7-25.
Habang na walong
Wala ba ito?
puntos sa Adamson.
Si Rex Ilalim, napakaganda naman nun. Pero wala. Ako niya pa rin. Lima. Ano good ako ni Jersey number 9. Kasama yung pala. Binigay isa sa naman.
Boti may tatlong timeout.
Alam mo na ako ni Quinto.
Ating second half.
Quinto.
Adamson ball.
Nasabal. Binigay kay Leiva.
Hanggang change court.
Wala naman ang jersey number 15. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Quinto. First roll.
Change court tayo. Adamson ball.
Ano yun, the court?
Coach G. Setting play.
Court.
Malio to jersey number 27.
15 seconds.
Pull up. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 10.
Pasa kay jersey number 8.
As Bayala.
Take a shot. That's 8-3 seconds.
Pass to jersey number 10. Ular. Oh, Minoma. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 27.
Pasa kay Tabanaw. Tabanaw with floater and short ako ni
Right violation. Bola ng USC.
Santos. 3 points.
Perfect shot up.
2 minutes.
Malakas ang pasa. Still by Vince. Tuhalang. Pull up. Wala. Sayang libre na yan. Jersey number 10 to 3. Rebound by jersey number 27. Pass to Coach G. Coach Ganian. Setting play.
That's 5 to shoot.
Pass to jersey number 6. And one. Basket. Who's foul? Jersey number 10. Dalawa yung 10. Yung Ular.
Santos.
Pang-apat na. Mr. Ular. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot. Jumpers ready.
That's 10 seconds to shoot. There's a, but there's a foul on jersey number.
Shoot.
Jersey number 11 left. Pablo.
Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 11. Aras Bayala. Pass to jersey number 10. Bola for 3. Short. Bola na Adamson. Gani, setting play. Fourteen shot clock. Jersey number 27. Wala. Tira. Pass play to Castillo. Yes!
Palakpak!
16-24 official score ay 20 kay Adamson.
7 ating score.
Walo lang oh.
Coach G, setting play.
First row is good for jersey number
Pass to jersey number 6, Jericho. To jersey number 17,
Seconds.
3 seconds violation. By jersey number 27, wala ng USC.
No good. Ako direct.
Ilang team yan, kuya?
Ito.
Arabilla.
Jersey number 11,
Pablo.
to
Jump.
Castillo. Still by jersey number 27, pass to Halang. Halang side step, back to jersey number 27, pull up. Malakas, ayan tira. There's a foul, jersey number 27.
Wala naman guys. 3 points. Last shot is
First personal foul, first team foul.
Santos. Santos.
Jersey number 10, fake.
Big shoot.
Nasa sa ilalim, wala ang reverse layup. Jersey number 0.
Shoot. Jersey
Napunta ang bola kay Jericho, pass to Coach G.
Tumira.
Back to jersey number 6.
Sani.
Connect for 2 points, jersey number 6.
That's 5 seconds.
Back to 10-point lead, 26-16.
Bola, drama.
Jersey number 11. Tumatake. There's a foul and one. Who's fouled out? Jersey number 6.
41-30.
Bonus shot.
Baka ba si Pino? Laki ng taba nga eh. Nakita ko naman eh.
Bonus shot yan. Jumper sword eh.
Kakain ng biryani.
Wala. Rebound by Ulan.
Tingnan lagi
Yung Jersey number 10.
Uwi na yan.
Ano na? Sabi ko nga uwi lang to na kasi papasok ko sana sa ano. Kaso,
Pass to
bago
Ulan.
ko pala eh.
Wala. Offensive rebound by Jersey number 0. Wala pa rin. There's a foul spotted. Jersey number 0. Second team foul. Second personal foul by Jersey number 0. 5 minutes and 25 seconds para sa ating third quarter. After 5 minutes, pwede mag-sub.
Plus 18. Oh,
Rebound by Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 ngayon. Post to post. Short. Offensive rebound by Castillo. Connect for 2 point by Castillo. Ito na, nag-run na UST. 20-26. 6.8. Jersey number 17.
Third.
Connect for 2 point.
Pwede po.
Jersey number 10. With jersey number 0. Pull up for 2. Short. Touch to Coach G. Coach G ngayon. With jersey number 6. Pull up. Yes sir. Connect time out. By UST. Official score natin 30-20. Back to 10-point lead.
Elias. Mira. Rewind for Kayla.
Oh, pwede na mag-sub. Pwede na po. Pero yung hindi pa na pasok ng third, papasok pa rin po. Hindi pumasok ng silang quarter. Oh, back to the ball game.
First team foul.
Bola ng UST.
Dito, big. Dito. Wala. Useful foul. Last.
Okay.
Wala foul. Out of bounds. That's 8 shoot.
Castillo, setting play.
Three. No good. Now only
Pass to jersey number 5.
Pablo din. Pablo.
14 shot clock.
Dito. Tutok sa ring. Dito. 2 points for Tito.
10 shot clock.
Score natin ay 32-62.
Jersey number 5. Connect for 2 points.
Walo.
22-13. 8-point lead by Adamson. Coach G. Puro bunso. Back to Coach G. There's a foul. Jersey number 0. Third personal foul. 13 foul. May dalawang free throws si Coach G.
Ay Kapanaw with an easy lane.
Ang free throw, wala. Ano nangyari sa Adamson? Lahat ng free throw nila, di pumapasok.
Tama naman ni Parabilla. Parabilla pa sa kay Kinto. Bawa sa pa, that's out of bounds.
Wala pa rin. Grabe. Jersey number 0. Connected 2 points. Sir Balangit. 6 na lang. 24-30. 6-point lead. Jericho, patakay wala. Rebound by jersey number 25 to jersey number 11. Nabitaw bola. Grabe.
Pagkaswerte naman.
Wala na sa balance. Pumasok pa. 25-30. 4-point lead by Adamson. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Sa ating third quarter. Jersey number 17. Si Coach G. Sumubok ng 3. Shoot.
First personal foul.
Bola ng UST. 4 na lang. Ang kalabangan ng Adamson. Castillo, setting play. Pass to Balangit.
Bola na.
Traveling violation again by jersey number 11. Triple muna. Bago. Jersey number 17, pass break. Play. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 11.
Caleb.
Malagit ngayon. Dito ba ba? Pass to jersey number 11. Castillo for 3. Offensive rebound.
Uy! Sayang.
Rebound by jersey number 11. Pass to play. Good yan. Steal by Balangit. Pull up. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. Jericho.
100.
Jersey number 11.
There's a foul on jersey
To
number
Bunso. Bunso side step. Block. Jersey number 0.
30 foul.
Jersey number 11. Jersey number 25. Hold up for 2. Good. Rebound by Jericho. Pass to Kutsuyani to jersey number 17.
Second personal foul on jersey number 28.
Jersey number 17. Pull up. Yes sir. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 17. 34-26.
First row is no good.
Wala, ang tira ni Castillo. Rebound by Coach G. Pass to Bunso. Umikot. Pull up. Wala pa rin. Offensive foul. Time out! By Adamson.
First team foul.
Foul jersey number 2. Bunso. And 13 foul.
Ano? Apat na nga, ano?
Apat na lang yun eh, sayang.
Nag-iinit.
First personal foul by Bunso.
Ito, Bek. Sino yung tubig?
Nakuha na dito. Ito pa sa ito panaw. Walang bola.
Back to the board team. Both team may take dalawang timeout. Back to the board in 51 seconds. 51 seconds.
Magalayos. Pasa kanino? Pasa kay jersey number 28. Abal, pasa kay Caleb. No, good pa rin yan. Pasa kay Tabanaw.
Here's Castillo yan. Second play. 40 seconds. 13 shot clock. Nasundot palabas ni Bunso. Pero ball possession pa rin. 12 to shoot.
Jersey number 22. Isa, the jumper, no good. Nakuha ni
10 to shoot. There's a foul. Who's fired? Jersey number 6.
out of bounds.
Warning for penalty. Ang dalawang free throw doon. Si jersey
Wait
number
na,
5.
muna. Wait.
O, seconds to play na lang. 10 seconds.
The ball will remain.
So, wala nang oras. Free throw na lang yan. Unang free throw ni jersey number 5 pumasok. Pangalawa, wala.
Ano sabi ko sa'yo?
Official score natin 27-34.
Wala siya doon. Wala ko na siya. Bukas ang pinto.
Both team may take dalawang timeout. The fourth quarter. Let's begin the fourth and final quarter. Ito lang to. Mga pang oras. Meron pa tayong minutes. Oh. Let's begin the fourth and final quarter. UST ball. UST. UST.
More one, 2 points again. Ball, jersey number 28. Break para kay Banaw. 2 points.
Wala mo, Wayne.
Jersey number 10.
Patay, Kevin yan, oh.
Nakasan
Nakasan
number 20.
Nakasan nyo?
Play to the two. Lumabas ang bola.
O, konditin na yan.
Jersey number 20.
What's na yan?
Lumabas ang bola. Bola ng Adamson.
Magalayos.
Official score natin 29-34. 5-point lead by Adamson.
Jumper. And short now by Pablo.
Jersey number 2 to Coach G. Pinasa sa kalaban. Christine Cortesa. Pas nila doon. Jersey number 17. Vince for 3. By jersey number 17.
Ganda ng challenge.
Back to 8-point lead. By Adamson. Jersey number 7, Castillo.
Layos, pasakay, bilang, pasakay.
Pass to jersey number 10.
Gina naman!
Yung jersey number 20, sumubok ng 3. Short. Sa kanya pa defensive rebound. Domingo. Connect for 2. Kaya jersey number 20.
Raise up. Time out, team.
Jersey number 2. Crossover. Tututuon. Nilapos ang bola. Pass to Besa. Besa! Travel. Violation for Besa. Sub rep, sub.
Hindi sila makalayo.
Hawak.
Use up! Use up! Water! 6 bottles!
Jersey number 20. Besa. Libo. 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 Double dribble by jersey number 20. Jersey number 2. Side step. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 2.
Go, go! Tama yan!
8-point lead by Adamson.
Ito, Layos.
Kanya-kanya na sila.
Kanya-kanyang tira na.
Rebound by the Tones. Counter steal by jersey number 20.
Sayang.
Pwersa.
At jersey number 10. Sumubok ng 3. Shoot. Time out by UST. Official score natin. 31. 39. 8-point lead by Adamson. Isa na lang po ang timeout nyo UST. Dalawa pa sa Adamson. Now back to the ball game.
Pablo na naman, Pablo.
Palitan mo to.
Bakit na yun?
Pawis na.
Jersey number
Yung
14 minutes, no good. That is air ball. Last 20 seconds. 7-6-8. Panaw. Sumubok ng 3. Short.
Jersey number 17 to jersey number 2.
Abot ng 5.
Coach Jim.
10 seconds.
Coach Jim.
Kilaw.
Matake sa gilid. Sinasakay na to. To jersey number 2. Pwede right, no good.
Alam po yan.
Rebound by jersey number 0. Aspect play. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 17.
650.
Jersey number 17 lumipad. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 17.
Ganda na sana yun eh.
41-31. Back to 10-point lead. Hey, by jersey number 17. To jersey number 2. For Coach G. Jersey boy. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 2. Coach G. Castillo. Castillo.
Uy!
lumipad. Castillo. 33-33.
kanino ba ginawa yan?
6
Lamang na
minutes
kayo.
and 25 seconds. Ating fourth quarter. Jersey number 2. Nagamit yung oras. Mas jersey number 17. Pumulap ng 3. Wala. O, sub rep, sub.
Pablo.
Sub.
Pasakay dito.
Hawag ko.
Pasakay. Maravilla.
6 minutes remaining. Sa ating fourth quarter.
Ibang lista. Santos.
Wow. Si jersey number
Kilaw.
27.
3 points.
Second personal foul for team foul. May dalawang free throw.
Score natin ay
Jersey number 10.
79-50.
Unang free throw. Wala. Jumpers ready.
14 seconds to shoot. Kumira si Santos.
Dryer mo.
Caleb na naman. Caleb.
Wala pa rin. Pero meron. Good. Oh, meron tayong tawag sa ilalim.
Napakaganda naman ang pick up for easy two.
Mega line 3. Percussion.
Pasakay Santos.
5 minutes remaining.
Good na ako ni
Bautista.
Pablo.
Tututuon. Back to Bautista. To Pesa. Halang. 14 shot clock. Nice play. Pero nilabas pa. Pass to the tone. Extra pass. Offensive rebound by jersey number 27. Pero lumabas yung bola. Bola pa rin ng sub-rep. Sub. Pasok po. Tawag lang. Nalabas si Dato. Ang parang si Bunso. 14 shot clock. 14. Bautista. Offensive rebound. Connect for 2 point by Bautista. 45-33. 12-point lead by Adamson. Jersey number 11. Kapalang Gates. Remover ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Bautista. To Besa. Besa ngayon. Gibo the ball. Inuwi yung bola. Pass to Halang.
15 seconds to shoot.
14 shot clock. Tubunso, sinubok ng 3. Malakas. Offensive rebound by jersey number 27. Umikot. Pass to Halang. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 28.
Sayang.
14-point lead by Adamson. Castillo for 3. Short. Rebound by Bautista. Pass to Halang.
And one.
Back to Bautista. Back to Halang.
Basket foul. Second person.
Tubunso. Reverse layup. Wala.
First team foul.
Offensive rebound by jersey number 27. Sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Pero nabitawan niya Halang. Pass to play to Castillo. To jersey number 20. Pa rin.
Sayang.
Halang. Pass to Bautista. To jersey number 27. Pass to Bunso. To Besa. 14 shot clock. Besa. Reverse layup. Time out. Wala na kayong time out. Last time out nyo ngayon, UST. Official score natin 49-33. Remaining time 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 16-point lead by Adamson.
Pablo, binigay kay Pablo. Pablo, 2 points.
UST ball. Back to the ball game.
Kaya, wala naman ang dress.
4 minutes and 49 seconds. Sa ating fourth quarter.
2 points again for Pablo. 5 minutes remaining. Score natin ay 87-60.
Jersey number 0. Doon pa lang din. Manawid yung bola. Haras by Bautista.
Sakay.
To Castillo.
Jersey number 8.
14 shot clock. Castillo sinaliwa. Offensive rebound by Castillo. Connect for 2 point by Castillo. 35-39. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Bautista. Tubunso. Jersey number 11. Wala. Sa kanya pa offensive rebound. Pull up. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bunso. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Jersey number 0. Unang free throw ni Bunso. Pasok. 50-35. Pumasok din yung free throw. Wala.
Bola dress.
Rebound by Bautista. Back to Bunso. To the tone. Connect for 2 points by the tone. 52-35. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Sabret. Jersey number 28. Tawag po. 14 shot clock, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Jersey number 4, just lay up, connect for 2 points. The jersey number... One minute and 35 seconds.
Karong sino?
Bautista. Back to Coach G. 14 shot clock. Coach G for 3. Short. Rebound by Castillo. Bill Bayala. Napunta bola kay Coach G. Alley-oop pass nila doon. Wala sa kanyang defensive rebound. Back to Coach G. Sumubok ng 3. By Coach G.
Ako magbabasa ng ano, ng comments.
Wala ngang viewers.
57.
Ay, JR kanina.
Jersey number 10. Number 3. Wala pa rin. 58 seconds.
Nakahead yung viewers.
63.
50 seconds. Coach G, sumubok ng rin.
Wala, birthday?
G. Dalawang 3. Back-to-back 3 points. 25 seconds. Jersey number 8. Sumubok din. Wala. Ibang by Bautista. 35 seconds. Relax na lang.
Baka maaga.
Wow.
Depende.
By jersey number 7.
Kasi first game sila. Ay, second game, no? Baka last game.
Second personal
Ay, first
foul,
game.
second team foul. 14 shot clock.
shit.
30 seconds. Coach G again. Sumubok ulit. Wala na. Pero offensive rebound by the Toon. The Toon. Connect for 2 points by the Toon. 23 seconds.